Hello guys, in today's video we will be checking out how we can trade spikes in boom and crash, and of course we will be using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do our analysis here. So if you're having the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, then you should follow up with me on this particular topic so that you will know how you can trade spikes with it. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are looking for an amazing information like this, kindly give me a follow right now. Okay, you should subscribe to this platform right now, and of course like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions within the comment section. I will be able to reply you right from there. Okay, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so guys, in case you don't know, this is a custom made indicator called 3M trend Milka trading indicator, and of course it helps you to know the direction of the market right from the beginning, that is the trend of the market right from the beginning. It also gives you the other information, that is if you are to buy or you are to sell. Okay, however, in everything you are doing, the first thing you should know is that you should know the exact trend of the assets you want to trade. Okay, the trend you want to trade. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so quickly let's see this, guys. Okay, so this was on downtrend before, but it got to this support zone. I'm going to show you this, right? It got to this support zone, went into an uptrend, but here is a resistance zone that is finding difficult to break out off from, and of course it came down, and of course it picked it all over again. So I'm going to use this part as an example. Okay, this had been on downtrend for a while, and of course immediately it got to this support zone, it has unable to break out below it. And if it's not breaking out below it, then we should have a CIT happening there, which is going to be a change in direction of trend, and that's what we actually got. So we just need to wait for the right signal, and this is when we got the right signal. We got the yellow flag. The yellow flag actually signifies an uptrend, while the red flag signifies a downtrend. Okay, and of course for you to trade spikes in boom, then it must be when the market is on uptrend or just starting an uptrend. Okay, and if you are trading spikes in crash, it must be when the market is going on downtrend. Okay, so that is when you should go for a spike trade, a spiky trade. Okay, and of course guys, for boom, spikes happens at the support zone, while for crash, okay, spikes happen at the resistance zone. Okay, so all these should be known right beforehand. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into it right away. So when this got to this major support zone, and of course all you need to do is to wait for the necessary signals to happen. Okay, so right here we got our yellow flag popping up. So at that point you should know that the yellow flag has popped up. You should wait for the blue arrow to pop up, and of course it pops up around here, and of course which gives us an assurance that we can go ahead and place a buy order. Okay, so guys, if you place a buy order around here, we might not be in profit at the beginning because this is spikes trading. Okay, and of course it might put you in negative for a while. Okay, because it has to spike before you can be in profit, and that is why you should set your stop loss. In everything you are doing, always put your stop loss. Your stop loss should be at the support zone. Okay, that support zone. Okay, so you put your stop loss right around here, and this is where you should place your order and wait for your order to to be in profit. Okay, we got this first spike, and of course the first spike actually got to this region. Okay, it was a small spike, although it's on 5-minute time frame. Okay, so it is a small spike but big enough to give you some profit. Okay, it came down a bit but it didn't get to the entry point, and of course it spiked again and it got to this region. Okay, that's beautiful, right? And of course it gave us a bigger spike. Okay, at this stage it sold for a while, got to this region, spiked again, and of course sold for a while. This time around it was a very big one. Okay, so then it spiked up again and again and again. So you wait for it to break out from the last high. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so and of course it spiked up again, came down, and spiked up again till it got here. Okay, immediately it got to this region, I expect you to adjust your stop loss because it has broken out from the last high. Okay, you adjust your stop loss and keep some part of the profit, okay, like 30% of the profit, okay, at this point. And of course this came down again till it got to this region, and of course spiked up again and up again, okay, and it came down then up again. Okay, so this can help you trade spikes throughout the trend, okay, from the beginning of the trend to the very end of the trend. Okay, you can keep on milking the market right from the beginning to the very end of it. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you just need to understand this. Okay, once you get it right, you will always be in profit. With the strategy of locking up some part of the profit, you will always be in profit. So at this stage you can adjust your stop loss again, and of course it ranged around there for a while, even almost got to the stop loss. Even at this point, you shouldn't readjust your stop loss, or you shouldn't take it backward. Just leave it the way it is. If it gets to your stop loss, then you accept it. The rest of the profit will go straight to your balance. If it does not, then you keep on trading. In this situation, it didn't get to the stop loss, came down, and of course went up and up. Wait for it to beat the last high, okay, the last major high. Okay, so you wait for it to beat it. Okay, so it got to this region, then at this point it has broken this region, then you should adjust your stop loss again to keep a major part of it, because it is getting to a major resistance zone. Okay, so this time around you should be locking up about 70% of the profits. Okay, this time around you are having enough profit for yourself at this point. Okay, so and of course this came down and went back up again. Okay, at this stage you should adjust more, close to 80% or even 80% of the profit, and at this point it came down till it got to your stop loss. Okay, that is the beautiful part of it. So the first thing which you need to do is the trend. Okay, and since this indicator is giving you the trend right from the beginning, then definitely it will help you to solve that part. Okay, so all you just need to do, where is the trend coming from? Is it from a major support zone? If it is coming from a major support zone and you are having an uptrend happening around there, then definitely it is a good opportunity for you to go into the trade. You just need to wait for your buy signal before you place your order, and of course you put your stop loss. Now let's see another one. This is it, guys. You can see this was selling before it got to this support zone, and it ranged around there for a while. So right from here we got a buy order and an uptrend signal, so which means you can easily come in around here, and if you are coming in around there, then you should also set your stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, and of course you can see it's played around, guys. It's played around. You can see it right from there. Okay, it's played around, it spiked up, got to this region, came down even below your entry point, and of course it went back up and up and up again. Okay, so at this point you need to readjust your stop loss to lock up some profit, and this is still going. There are more spikes still going to happen around there, so that is why some of us are making huge amount of money from this, because we have a custom made indicator that is giving us information about what is about to happen within the market, and of course we just need to follow the step and of course use this strategy, trailing strategy, in order for us to make more profit for ourselves. Okay, so that is it, guys. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Okay, you guys can go ahead and practice this on your own and see how it works. If you are able to make more profits with it, you can let me know within the comment section, and if you are having one issue or the other, you can also let me know. I can do another video for you in order for you to clear, for me to clear that part of the issue you are having, so that you will know how to go about it. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.